In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email campaign using Sendgrid. We'll walk through the entire process inside the Sendgrid dashboard, from choosing the right type of campaign to designing your email, all the way to sending or scheduling it. By the end, you'll be comfortable creating a complete single send campaign on your own. Once you're logged into your Sendgrid account, look over to the left-hand sidebar. Here you'll see a section labeled Marketing. Go ahead and click on Marketing. This is where all of your marketing-focused tools live, including your campaigns, contact lists, and templates. Inside the marketing area, find and select Single Sends. Single sends are one-time email campaigns, perfect for newsletters, announcements, or any message you want to send once to a group of contacts. In the top right corner, you'll see a button that says Create Single Send. Click that to start setting up a brand new campaign. The first thing Sendgrid will ask you to do is select a template. You can choose from a pre-built Sendgrid design, pick one of your own saved templates, or start from a completely blank template if you want full control over the layout. If you're just getting started, using a pre-built design can save a lot of time and help you stay consistent with best practices. Next, choose the design editor. This is the visual editor where you'll be able to drag and drop elements, edit text, and customize the look and feel of your email without writing any code. Before getting deep into the design, switch over to the Settings tab. Here you'll configure the key details of your campaign. First, set the From Sender by selecting a verified sender email. This is the address your contacts will see as the sender, and it must be verified in Sendgrid to ensure good deliverability. Then, enter your subject line. Try to keep it clear and compelling, since this heavily influences your open rates. Finally, choose your recipients by selecting the lists or segments that should receive this email. Make sure you pick the right audience so your message goes to the people it's intended for. Once your settings are in place, go back to designing your email. Use the drag and drop tools in the design editor to add text blocks, images, buttons, and other content. Take a moment to check alignment, spacing, and how your message flows from top to bottom. It's also a good idea to preview the email to see how it will look on both desktop and mobile. When you're happy with everything, click Review Details and Send. This review screen gives you a final chance to double-check your sender information, subject line, and recipients. If everything looks good, you can either send the campaign immediately or choose the schedule option to send it at a later date and time that fits your audience best. And that's the full process for sending an email campaign using Sendgrid.